Hello and what's up guys, iLock here in this video. So first of all, I just want to thank you so much guys for your support and every single thing you do for this channel. Second, if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comment section down below. I'm gonna be replying to every single person. Third, I just want to give a huge shout out to the people who commented on my last video. So thank you so much guys, I really appreciate that. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to get dark mode on Snapchat. Super easy, super simple. All you gotta do is just basically follow the steps. So this is what a dark mode looks like, and right here as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. It's one of the easiest things that you can do on Snapchat, and it doesn't require anything, to be honest. Alright, so let's do it. So what you need to do is just basically go on this. It's gonna be either a Bitmoji or the story. Click on settings, scroll down until you see app appearance, click on it, and make sure you select always dark. And so this is what it's gonna look like, and this is always dark. Literally super easy, super simple. Just follow the steps guys, and it's gonna work 100% for you. So that is it guys. Please, if it worked for you, please make sure to hit subscribe to my channel and like this video. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys, and peace out. Peace.